Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm so grateful. In today's video, I want to let you know how you can take advantage of your 3D reality to manifest your specific person effortlessly. In this video, I'm mainly going to be talking about the placebo effect. So, if you're not aware of the placebo effect, basically you can do some physical actions in your 3D reality, which will make you believe over time with practice that the imaginal reality you're seeking is actually taking place. It will help you in taking on the identity and really immersing yourself in the new version who has your specific person with you in your life in this current moment. I love placebo effects. I love doing that in my reality, whether it's related to money or a specific person. I have even done it for my self concept, for the glow on my face, and many other things. I will soon be making a video around money, how I have used placebo effect to my advantage to manifest whatever kind of money, salary, hike, appraisal I wanted. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about the placebo effects I have used in my reality to either manifest contact, continuous contact, or interest from a specific person over the past 10 or so years. This is something that is also mentioned in the law of attraction. If you would have read the book or seen the documentary The Secret, they talk about the placebo effect, maybe not in this way, but they talk about making changes in your physical reality so that it can fuel your belief that yes, today you are this person and this is your life. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. It completely depends on what makes you take on that identity. As long as you're not physically going out and manipulating other people, their emotions, or any kind of circumstances, and you're keeping it to yourself, the placebo effect activities, I think it's a great tool. I think you can call it as one of the techniques to really take on that state and be in that end state continuously throughout the day. The main key here is that you need to have fun with the placebo effect. It should not become one more thing to cause resistance. It should not become one more thing to really bring you down. It should be fun. I only do placebo effects because I find it fun. And that is the only reason. The day I stop finding them fun, I'm not doing that at all. Because for me personally, my techniques are more than enough. I am a person who imagines a lot, who loves having inner conversations. So the placebo effect activities for me are just cherry on the cake. My cake will still be amazing enough without that in the picture. So make sure you're having fun with it. Now I'm going to give you a few ideas and just play around with those ideas and see what resonates with you. If it does not resonate with you, there might be something similar, something more personal to you that might work out. The first thing is creating text pictures with their name and make it look like you have been texting them or they have been texting you. It's really easy to get these text templates online. You can also edit these in Canva and keep them in the form of screenshots in your phone. So you can see their name, you can see a good chat, and you can put in your name over there as well, or you can put in their number as well, or any kind of nickname you would want to give to them. And whenever you're going through those screenshots, the internal dialogue or thought process you should be having is that, wow, we had such a beautiful chat a few days back. I need to screenshot. So, in a way, you're making yourself believe that you actually had a really good chat with them, that you had to screenshot it and keep it in your gallery, and once in a while go through it to be happy. And be really grateful for what you have and what an amazing relationship you have with your specific person. By feeding yourself these thoughts, this internal dialogue, and going through those physical evidences in your 3D reality, with practice, you will very easily take on that version who already has your specific person in your life. A lot of people do it in very different ways. Recently, I read a comment in one of the videos where a person wrote their story and they were imagining their specific person's passport, and in the spouse section, they were imagining their own name. So, whatever feels easier to you, whatever connects with you more personally, because it should feel good and it should feel authentic, do it that way. Now, the next three things I'm going to tell you are the strongest activities you can do in your 3D reality to take on that identity instantly. I'm not saying you would have to practice this a lot. These are the most powerful 3 tools, according to me, that will instantly bring you in the state of having your specific person. These are my personal tools. I have done them personally in my life. And for me, it takes just 2, 3, or 5 minutes to get into that state, not even that long, sometimes a few seconds when I try these 3 things. I've discussed these 3 things very briefly in one of my SP videos last year, but this video is dedicated to these methods. These 3 things would be available to each and every person who's trying to manifest their specific person back. You don't have to go out of your way for these things. You don't have to make any special kind of arrangements for these things. These things are something you would specifically own or are available in your internal world. The first thing is fragrance. Okay. I think these are such underrated placebo effects. It will take you just 2 seconds maximum to get into the end state of being with your specific person. Fragrance is a really, really common thing and one of the first things that catch our attention when we develop a romantic interest for someone. And even though it's really common, I am aware that a lot of people might not resonate with this. A lot of people still are not really into fragrances, but I know majority of the people are going to resonate with this. So go out and purchase that exact perfume, that exact deodorant that your specific person has been using, was using during that time of your life when you were with them, when you were hanging out with them, or if you were dating, and keep it with you. You can spray it on yourself once a day. You can spray it on your hands before you go to bed. If your hands are near you when you sleep, the kind of position you sleep in, you can spray it on your pillow before you go to sleep, or you can just spray it in your living room or your bedroom to have that constantly in your senses. That fragrance is going to take you back to that time instantly when you were with your specific person. You're going to feel their presence with you, around you all the time. You are going to thank me for these methods. Okay, so try out the fragrance placebo effect if you want to really speed up your manifestation and stay in that state of feeling a specific person around you all the time, most of the day and night. The next thing is music. Okay, music, I'm sure everyone knows it's the fastest way, just like fragrances, to take you back to a certain point of time. Okay, it can take you back to your childhood, it can take you back to your college days, it can take you back to that exact time you had a crush on someone. Music is so powerful. I cannot even state how powerful it is and what kind of control it can have over you and your emotions. You can be in a completely pleasant mood and then you can hear a song that reminds you of a bad time or a breakup, and it can instantly make you feel nostalgic or it can make you cry. Music is extremely powerful. It's directly linked with your emotions. It directly impacts your emotions. And that's what people are trying to target through the techniques. They're trying to target their feelings and emotions so that they can take on the state of being in a relationship with their specific person. And if you know anything about manifestation, you know that you manifest who you are and not what you want. And who you are is determined by your state of being. And if you want to be in that state of being, you need to target your emotions and feelings to change your beliefs around the current situation. And to target your emotions and feelings, we need to take advantage of these strong tools that are readily available with us. So get back to that music, not the music that you heard during your breakup, because that is going to change your state of being and really enhance your current circumstances and negative feelings. Go a few steps back and get back to the music that you heard when you were just developing the romantic feelings for them, or when you were in that feel good phase while dating or before dating. It will take you back to that feel good romantic state. That is the original state of being that manifested your specific person the first time, and that is the exact state of being that is going to manifest them again. Now, the last tool to manifest your specific person back effortlessly and take on that identity instantly is called your memories. Your memories are such a powerful tool, and honestly, that's the only tool you need. You can forego all the other techniques and placebo effects if you can just learn how to take advantage of your old good memories. Your memories do not go anywhere, they are forever stored in your subconscious mind. And especially the memories that had an emotional impact on you, an emotional experience, is something you can very easily tap into. Get back to all the memories, all the hangouts, all the dinner dates, all the movie dates, all the conversations, the coffee dates, the house parties, whatever your life looked like when you were in that feel good phase or when you had just started dating. Tap into those memories and live those memories in your present moment to recreate it in your near future. With memories, you have to do nothing. There's no effort. As soon as you tap into those memories, you will instantly also tap into the emotions and feelings related to those memories. So, instantly, you are in the state of being with your specific person. Now, dwell in those memories. Okay? Only the good, feel good memories, not the memories related to your breakup or your arguments or any kind of negative experiences. Don't go over there. Take a few steps back. You will be unstoppable if you can tap into these placebo activities. Music, fragrance, memories. You never have to worry about any other techniques, tools, or methods if you can tap into these specific tools that are readily available with you. You never have to again worry about which technique suits me, which technique can I put efforts into, what's the correct way of doing this technique. You already have so many natural tools and methods available with you that you do not have to take support from any other tools or methods. These are my go-to placebo effects, fragrance, memories, and music whenever I develop any kind of romantic interest. And they have worked every time. I love how I instantly, within a few seconds, am in a completely different world and state when I tap into these things. So I hope this video really helps you in coming into that stage, taking on that identity instantly and manifesting your specific person back or manifesting a new love. This applies in those situations as well. Effortlessly with a lot of ease and very, very smoothly and with a lot of fun. Make sure you're recognizing as soon as you're tapping into the negative memories or the negative feelings. You need to take a few steps back. Only the positive memories, only the music that you were listening to during the early phases, and the fragrance during the good times. If there was a change in the fragrance during the breakup or the bad times, now that fragrance will be connected to that specific memory. So avoid that specific fragrance. Even with the original fragrance, if you realize that there are negative feelings and memories coming up, cancel it out altogether. You don't have to tap into that specific placebo effect. Okay? Work with your memories and music instead. If the YouTube guidance and videos feel too less and general for you and you require hand holding, then you can invest in my Reclaim Your Specific Person course. This is an in depth course that includes 5 extensive modules, 25 chapters, 5-hour long video lessons in the form of 10 videos, and 10 exercise books, along with a strong SAS guided meditation called Nighttime. There are 2 additional perks you will be receiving with this course: 15% off on any of your next purchase, which is related to a course or a challenge, and you will get a free customized subliminal audio tape and video tape. Right now, there is an early bird offer going on because the course will release in the month of April. So, if you purchase the course before the official release date, you can get it at 15% off. To understand in detail what these challenges and courses include, you can check the video I've linked here. And if you are someone who thinks they do not require in depth guidance and they understand everything about manifestation, but they are just looking for some targeted instructions to manifest either messages or continuous contact from your specific person, then you can invest in my manifestation challenge called Non-Stop Texts, which is releasing in the month of January. All my other products and services, such as one-on-one and email coaching and Instagram direct messages coaching. My customized manifestation packs and my YouTube membership programs are linked in the video description. You can have a look. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great week.